check this fork, make sure that it's it's solid stainless steel, perfectly normal. SM, food court to be exact. They're my sponsor. They don't know it. Now, this is called psychokinesis. Have you ever heard of psychokinesis? Psychokinesis is also known as telekinesis. It's the ability of the mind to move objects. Okay? So we're going to try and see if we could do that with you. I just want you to concentrate on this fork and believe that you can bend it. Go ahead. Just watch. 1, 2, 3. And it begins to bend right before your very eyes. Okay? This is November 1. Lots of crazy stuff happened at this time. This is the point where people say, are you sure you're not, the son of the devil? No, I'm not. Don't worry. Any kid, any 3-year-old can do this, okay? With 15 years of practice. Okay? Don't worry. Alright. Now sometimes they say maybe there's extra force that might be. No, nothing, right? Nothing. Good. Alright. Now watch. Let's concentrate some more. We'll try to bend the rest of the fork. Watch. Everything else bent. All the other tines bent just like that. This was, of course, a phenomenon demonstrated by Israeli Uri Geller in the 1970s. And you've ever seen that optical illusion with pencils? You shake it around, looks softer. This is not an optical illusion. This is really a fork that is melting right before your very eyes. In fact, you can hold it. Make sure it's really there. It's not soft. In fact, go ahead. You can check it out for yourself. Be careful. Don't prick yourself. Okay? Alright. Hold it. Make sure it's not soft. Okay? Alright. Go ahead. Go ahead. You want to check? Go ahead. Now, people ask me, can we straighten this out? Of course, you can use physical force if you want. You just take it with both hands, straighten it out. There you go. So now we have a straight fork once again. So we have a straight fork. Ma'am, could you hold out your hand for me? The other one. There you go. I just want you to wrap the fork in your hand. Now watch. We have a straight fork in her hand. I need a child
Go, Ashley,
to
go,
do this
go,
for
go,
me.
Ashley.
That one with the wings. Yes, you. Alright? She's going to show you that she also has the ability to bend objects with her mind. They're mother and daughter, apparently. I want you to concentrate and turn the fork 3 times in your mom's hand. Go ahead. Turn. 3 times. It's 1. There. 1. 1. No, turn it like that, then do it again. 2. Okay, you're having a bit of a problem. 1 more time. 1 more turn. Alright, look what happened in her hand. The fork twisted right in her hand. It's twisted. In fact, this twist is so tough, I'm trying to look for the machoest father in this room right now, sir. There you go. Alright, please try taking out the twist. Go ahead, use both hands. Just to prove that it's really solid, just to prove that it's really in there and it's not a fake fork. Go ahead, sir. Okay, let's go for the really strongest person in this room here. Go ahead. Alright, go ahead. You can try. Try taking out the twist. Go ahead. The twist. Go ahead. It's really in there, right? It's really solid. And this fork came from SM. Okay. Don't use it to scratch your butt. It's okay. Okay? Now, maybe you've seen The Matrix. In The Matrix, ma'am, there was this person who stared at the fork and then he made it bend. It's like this one. 1, 2, 3. And you can keep that in here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. That is called liquid metal, a demonstration of psychokinesis. Now, you're going